So guys, for the first time as a Ghanaian, I feel so sad. I feel very, very sad. I feel so embarrassed. I don't think this really sent a good signal to the world about Ghana. Deep within me, I feel like Ghana is not cheap.
I know that guy gonna clean my sins, my...
The 46-second video, which has since gone viral on social media, originally posted by the rapper Meek on his Instagram handle, has the rapper himself sporting a white round neck t-shirt over a pair of green shorts and sneakers, together with at least 10 other individuals. But that's not even where the big issue is. For many individuals who have taken to social and traditional media to vent, the issue has to do with how the rapper got access to the Jubilee House.
I decided not to talk about this issue, but I love my country, Ghana. I promote Ghana to the world, so I definitely have to say something about this. Even the American embassy here in Ghana, when you go around it, you see warnings boldly written there that no cameras are allowed. Even just behind Ghana Broadcasting Corporation, just there, Netherlands embassy is there, and it's written boldly there that no cameras are allowed. Now, tell me, how come a rapper was allowed to film a whole music video in the seat of government?
First and foremost, when I saw it, I felt very offended as a Ghanaian. I felt very offended as a Ghanaian because just behind GBC here, the Netherlands embassy there, there's a big sign, no photography. Even from outside. This is an embassy, not the seat of government. I don't think anybody can get close to the White House, even try to take pictures. So please, I think whoever decided that this guy should be allowed to take footages of our seat of government, I think the person should be brought to answer certain questions. Because in the first place, that area is a security zone. Yeah. And I've also been there a few times. They take your phone and everything, they take it away.
Exactly. Then
I ask myself, if I cannot go with my phone as a Ghanaian, why should a foreigner be allowed? You see, the whole thing is that Ghanaians, we've made ourselves so cheap that we respect foreigners. We accord them the respect that we don't give our own people. What is this? What are we doing to ourselves?
I just can't wrap my head around this thing. Fine, people are saying, oh, the phone they use, maybe they use a phone and it wasn't a plan. But who? Where are the protocols? Where are the people that are in charge? Who allowed it? Who gave them that position? Because there are security guards there. There are protocols there who take care of all these things. And going to that place to film a whole music video and posting it, I think this is not really sending a good signal to the world about government.
So from the presidential villa, they had access to the conference room, the lobby area, what looked like the living area. In fact, they had access to the entire Flagstaff or Jubilee House, including the presidential podium, which is the insignia of the presidency.
Yes, it has made our government look so cheap, very, very cheap. Can you go to the White House and do this? No. I stand to be corrected. Whoever that is watching, let me know. Can you go to the White House? And I don't like the fact that everybody who comes to Ghana has access to see the president. It makes you so cheap. Why? Are they big? Are they fine? I'm not against anybody coming to Ghana, because we ourselves, we are promoting Ghana to the world, and we are asking the AAs in the African Americans, our brothers there, to come home, because we know that this is their roots, that they were taken away, their language was denied, their culture was taken away from them and all that. So I'm not against it. But the fact that they've made the seat of government so cheap to the extent that anybody that comes have access to see the president. Anybody. At least there should be some kind of, a way to go about this thing. And when you look at the internet, this rapper called Meek or Meek Mill, whatever his name. Actually, I don't even know him. So saw him in Ghana here performing on the street and all that, and his phone was stolen. And I was so shocked that this guy's phone was stolen. But the whole IGP were able to find their phone for them. My friend, Ivy Prosper, I don't know. I know most of you know Ivy Prosper, yes. She was robbed, okay? Her phone was taken away. She went to the police station to report the case and stuff. Till now, her phone has not been recovered. But how come someone who is a rapper, the whole big Ghana, he went to a program to perform, his phone was stolen. Within less than 28 hours or 48 hours, his phone was returned back to him. This is a big shock to me. I don't understand how they are running this country. Just look at this. Who allowed it? I don't know, guys, if you understand what I'm trying to say, but I don't think this is how things should be.
I believe that it is, as somebody said, it is a desecration of the highest order. It should be investigated thoroughly, because you cannot expect the president to be responsible for his own security and be responsible for that huge mansion. There are a lot of people responsible who allowed that thing to go on, and such people should be heavily reprimanded.
Tell me, let me know if I'm wrong or I'm right. I'm not against any Black American or our brothers going to the Flagstars to see the president and all that, but I think it's too much for you to get access to film a whole music video. Like, I don't know, even with your phone, right? It's not allowed. It's like you are exposing us to the world. Whoever that is in charge should be taken on. Whoever that was supposed to be there to make sure that people don't use their phone to shoot and all that, I think something needs to be done about this thing. And I'm so pissed off. I'm so sad. I feel so bad. And it's like, you know, let me use the word, we feel so cheap. Yeah. That is the image now we are painting. Fine, we accepted, we said the year of return now beyond the year of return and all that and stuff. But Charlie, hey, if you come, you have to respect our people. You can't go to the how do you call it, the White House and do this there. So the fact that you have come home and you have the freedom to do whatever you want, you don't try to do things that will go against the law. See this show that was held, or what is it? Is it a Coachella or whatever? Do you think our brothers can host a show in America and in the middle of the show they halt the show and they said they've closed because of security reasons and stuff? Someone would dare sue them, but you know, they come here in Ghana, they do it and they go scot-free and no one talks about it. So someone will be asking that, okay, Neil, what's your point? My point is that, you know, we need to respect the places we go. Let's always learn to do what is right and avoid what is wrong. You know, there's no way I come to America, or even our own big people, when they go to this country, see how it's not easy for them to see the president of the land. You know, here in Ghana, even Black Stars will go to Flagstaff House to see the president. Everybody wants to go and see the president. Wow. He has other works to do. He has job to do. So we can't just be going always there to meet. Anyway, that's just something I just wanted to pass by. But what I actually want to say is that, you know, most of these big stars coming to Ghana need to respect the laws of the land. You know where you are entering, cameras are forbidden there. So why should you, even if there's a loose guard somewhere, why should you do this? It's not right. I know a lot of people might not agree with me. I know some will agree with me, but hey, this is my thought on it. And it's so sad. Actually, since yesterday, people are talking about it in different groups. Like, other Ghanaians are so furious. Like, people are really angry, especially to the Meek Miller guy, and also the protocols at the residence, the seat of government. The fact that they couldn't like monitor or be able to see things well for them to find their way to do all this video. Charlie, even if their phone, it's not acceptable, you see. And we need to guard ourselves well. This really tells that our security is very weak. Anything can just penetrate through. And just imagine, you know, this thing going out, people will see the loopholes and they might try to, you know, Charlie, now in this world we can't trust anybody. People are watching things on stuff on the internet, monitoring you. That's why I'm also always careful of the things I show, because hey, if we are going to show our negative side and not project the positive things and stuff, people are seeing our weaknesses. And in Africa here, we have a proverb that says that you don't wash your dirty clothes in public, you know. So I'm very careful of the things that I put on the internet to show, not to expose myself, my country, the citizens as well. Do you get it? So videos like this don't really have to be done, you know. And even with America, if you watch all the American movies we watch, they use this VFX and green screen to project something like the White House, but it's actually not the White House. I stand to be corrected. If you are here and you know something about it, you can comment in the comment section and let me know. So it's so bad. Yeah, I don't know. If you've not seen the video, you can just watch it and then tell me what you think about it in the comment section, and maybe any advice you have. Charlie, put it there and let's continue. I love you guys and thank you for watching me. As I told you, this year more development videos will be coming, so just cross your fingers. Okay, see you guys. My name is Nia aka Ganyobi, the guy who tells stories from Ghana. Hola, Mawo. Peace out.